In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add files to a deal in Pipedrive. By the end, you'll know exactly how to attach proposals, images, contracts, or any supporting documents. So your team has everything in one place. First, head to the Deals section. From your Pipedrive dashboard, open the main navigation and click Deals. This is where all your opportunities live, organized by pipeline and stage. If you're already working inside another part of Pipedrive, this quick jump ensures you're starting from the right place. Next, open the specific deal where you want to add a file. Find the deal in your list or board view and click it to open the full deal view. Make sure you're on the correct deal so the file ends up attached to the exact opportunity you're working on. In the deal view, go to the Files tab. You'll see it alongside other tabs like Notes, Emails, and Activities. Clicking Files takes you to a dedicated space just for attachments associated with this deal, which helps keep related documents organized and easy to find later. Now you're ready to upload. You can click the Upload File button to browse your computer, or simply drag and drop a file into the highlighted area. Both options do the same thing. Choose whichever feels faster. Drag and drop is great when you already have the file open in a folder, while the upload button is handy if you want to carefully pick the right document. Choose the file from your computer. Pipedrive supports common types like PDFs, images, and standard documents. If you're adding a proposal, a signed agreement, a screenshot, or a presentation, this is the perfect place for it. As a best practice, use clear, descriptive file names so you and your teammates can spot the right version at a glance. After you select the file, give it a moment to upload. You'll see it appear right in the Files tab once it's finished. If the progress seems slow, that's usually due to file size or internet speed. Just let it complete before moving on. From here, you can manage the file as needed. Click the file to open or download it whenever you want to review the contents. If you need to tidy things up, use the three dots next to the file to rename it or delete it. Renaming is especially helpful if you want to include dates or version numbers for clarity. And that's it. Your file is now attached to the deal, neatly stored where your whole team can access it. Thanks for watching.